This is lesson 12.6, surface areas and volumes of spheres. Your objectives are to find surface areas and volumes of spheres. Find the surface area of each sphere or hemisphere, round to the nearest tenth. For a sphere, the surface area formula, T equals 4 pi r squared. In this sphere, the diameter is 89 feet, so the radius will be half that, which is 44.5 feet. So for r, we'll substitute in 44.5. T equals 4 pi times 44.5 squared. And that's a grand total of 24,884.6, and that'll be feet squared. So since we didn't know the radius, take half of the diameter and substitute it in. For a hemisphere with the radius of the great circle as 8.4 inches, to do the surface area, we need to remember that not only do we do the outside part of the hemisphere, but we also do the circular face where it was sliced in half. So, for total surface area, it's like a sphere except half of it. So half of 4 pi r squared plus the area of the circle face, which is another pi r squared. The radius is 8.4. So substitute the 8.4s in and work it out. And you get 665.0 inches squared. Remember, for a hemisphere, it's half of a sphere plus the circular face. Find the volume of each sphere or hemisphere, round to the nearest tenth. For the sphere, volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. The radius is 12.32 feet, so we'll substitute 12.32 for r. Punch that in, and we get 7,832.9 feet cubed. Remember, volume is units cubed. For a hemisphere, it's half of a sphere, so volume will be half of 4/3 pi r cubed. So since the diameter is 32, the radius is half of that, which is 16. So we'll substitute in 16 for the radius. When you punch all that in, you get 8,578.6, and that's meters cubed. So take half of the diameter to get the radius and put it in the formula.